Alright, so right here we'll be looking at how to work with our media library. In this section, we'll be looking at the image optimization. We'll be looking at how to delete and upload our media files. Alright, so let's go to our browser right here. This is our dashboard right here. We'll click on dashboard. Let's close every other tab. Alright, now if you want to work with our media library, it's very simple. You locate your media panel, you hover your mouse on the media panel, alright, and you are going to click on the library. Let's open this in a new tab. Right, now we said the media library is a place that displays all the media files we have stored in our database, right? So this is a practical aspect. You can see these are the media files we have stored in our database. These are images, all right? Most of the times our team might come with videos, voice records, images. These are the images we have right here, all right? Now the first thing here we're going to look at is how to optimize our images. This is very important. And when you are working with a premium theme, it's important for you to check the dimensions of images in the post page and the image in the slider, and also the images in the pages. All right, this is very important so that you can have a uniform website. You won't be having images that are overlapping one another, right? So the best way to do this is to go to your post here. Let's go to all the posts we have, right? Then right here, let's open this in a new tab, right? So let's scroll down right here. Let's look for the featured image in this, right? You can see this is the featured image. We are going to click on that. This is 750 by 498, all right? 750 by 498. Let's check this. This is 1024 by 819. All right, it means that their images here are not really uniform. It means that you can set your images to any size you like, but there are some premium themes that comes with a specific dimension for their featured images. All right, so if you have that kind of theme, it's important that you note the dimension of the featured images, so that when you start importing your own images, you have to set the dimension of your images to have that same dimension. If not, you are going to be having images that will be overlapping and it's going to distort the layout of your website. All right, so this is very important. After checking the dimension of your image, the next thing here is to optimize your images. This is very important. Let's open one of the image here. Right here we are saying that this image is 78 kilobytes by size. This is actually large for me to an extent, right? We still scroll down here. This is another image. This is 20 kilobytes. This is okay. All right, you can see the reason why the website is actually fast is because they don't really have large file image. You can see this is 28 kilobytes. This is very important. If you really want your website to load fast, you need to optimize your images. How do you optimize your images? There is a website I use to optimize my images. It's called imagecompressor.com. Let's assume you are done creating your image content. You are done using the Photoshop or the CorelDRAW, or you used any of the free image download platform to download your images. It's important that you reduce the size of your image. If not, your website is going to be very slow. How do you do that? When you come to this website here, you click on upload files. All right, so these are images here. Let's assume we want to select this tree right here. After selecting the tree, you click on open here. Right, you can see this is uploading the tree images. Is going to resize the images drastically. Right, while we wait for this to optimize, right, there's another thing also. When you are dealing with logo, you should know the kind of images you use for your logo. It's best that you use the PNG type of image for your logo. All right, then the best image type for post pages are the JPEG formats. All right, most of the times I've tried using PNG images on my blog posts, and I find out that when I set the PNG image formats in my blog post, when I send the URL to any social media, you find out that the images does not accompany the title, and which is very bad. So if you are adding a featured image to your post, make sure you select JPEG image format. All right, when it comes to logo, you can set PNG. You can see right here, this is PNG. This is the logo of the website we are working on. Let's view this in a new tab. You can see this is the logo right here. So the PNG comes without a background color. This is very important. So after that, let's go back to this. This is taking a lot of time. All right, let's reload this. Let's try that again. Right here, let's just select one. right? You can see it's compressing this particular image. It's going to reduce the size of this image. You can see it has reduced the size of this image by 72%. After that, I click on download. All right, now it's going to download this image. Let's open this image in the file. You can see this is 775 kilobyte. This is still very large. All I need to do right here is to open this particular image. I'll go to download right here, right click here, then I'll hover my mouse on open with, and I go to paint right here. Right, you can see the image is so large. All I need to do is to click on resize here. I click on pixel, then I unselect the maintain aspect ratio. You can see the horizontal dimension is too wide. You can make this to be 500 by 500, right? After that, I click on OK right here. You can see this is what I have here. After that, I click on save, right? So let's go back here. You can see from 770 something is set to 295, and right here this image is in PNG, which is very bad. So let's go back to our paint here, right? After that, all we need to do is to click on file, click on save as right here, change this to JPEG. All right, so let's save this in our desktop. So right here, let's call this image1. Enter here, click on OK here. We can close this right now. All right, now we are going to upload again. Let's clear this. Right here, we're going to click on desktop, select this again. You can see right here it has reduced this image by 39%. So we're going to click on download here. Right, so let's see the file size right here, and see it has reduced to 50 kilobytes. So this is the way you can optimize your images. So basically here, this is how you can optimize your images. All right, this is very, very important. The next thing here is deleting and uploading media files. All right, this is something we have done before. Right here, let's close this. All right, so right here at the media library, if you want to delete any of this, let's select this and let's delete this. Okay, here, right, you can see it has been deleted. But most of the times when your premium team comes with demo data, it's going to come with thousands or hundreds of images. All right, and you might want to delete them one after the other. Deleting 5,000 images is a lot of work. All right, so for you to do that, there's what is called the bulk action. All right, this is bulk select. Here you click on the bulk select, right? You can click on this, select the ones you want to delete, select as many as possible. Let's uncheck this, select this, let's leave this, select this, select this. All right, then after that you click on delete permanently, you select the OK. All right, it's going to remove all the images you have selected. All right, so right here you can select as many images as possible and can delete at once using the bulk delete. All right, there's another thing we skipped right here. If you look at some of these are the images that is at the home page. Let's go back to our home page here. All right, let's scroll down right here. You can see right here I deleted one of the image when I did the bulk delete. Right here you can see this is the client's logo. This is another client. The best thing to do right here is to come to the media library to check the dimension. This is 229 by 105. All right, let's try this. This is 229 by 105. Let's try this. This is 229 by 105. All right, let's check for this. This is 229 by 105. All right, so if you are uploading your own client, it's important that you upload images of that dimension. All right, so basically here this is a way to delete your media files. All right, if you want to upload a media file, it's very simple. Right here, when you hover your mouse on the media, you click on library. All right, it brings you to this place. You click on add new. It's something we've done before. Right here you click on select files. Right, it's going to take you to where you can upload your file. So let's choose this. We click on upload right here. You can see we have automatically added this file in our database. All right, so it's right inside our media library. So this is how you can optimize your image and you can upload and delete your media files. All right, so next section we'll be looking at theme options. All right, so see you at the next section.